The South Devon Railway is indeed located in South Devon, running for 7.5 miles alongside the River Dart for much of its way from Buckfastleigh to Totnes Riverside, where there is a connection to Network rail tracks. The locomotive on duty was a former Great Western auto-fitted pannier tank number 6412, which had a sizable load of 6 Mark I carriages. The line-side views are limited by the lush late summer vegetation growth. Napa Crossing retains the name of the old lady who looked after the crossing for many years. Staverton is the only intermediate station on the line. It has a short platform that will only accommodate 2 carriages. Buckfastleigh is the headquarters of the line. It formerly extended a further 1.5 miles to Ashburton, but when the line was closed in 1972, a section to Ashburton was used for road improvements. We are back at Staverton and watch the train leave for Totnes Riverside. The station has been beautifully restored and has been used as a setting for many films and television programmes. The main goods traffic sent from the station was milk and cider in the barrels shown here. Staverton Mill alongside the railway has also been beautifully restored and converted to upmarket apartments. A bell rings in the signal cabin and the signalman comes out to open the level crossing gates. Eventually, the inner home signal is pulled off and the train can be heard approaching in the distance. As it was a Sunday, there were 2 extra carriages at the front of the train to cater for lunch and afternoon tea.